welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 15th day of the 40 days challenge. Today I'll be cooking this beautiful purple asparagus. It basically turns green when it's cooked. It has nuttier taste than the green asparagus. Just look at the color. Oh my god, so deep and beautiful purple color. There you go. We will chop off until half like this. We'll remove the bottom part and we'll cook these heads. We'll use some crushed garlic like this. Dry roast the asparagus in the pan for 2 minutes so all the water from the asparagus drains out. The asparagus. Salt and some pepper. Once you dry roast it for 2 minutes, go ahead and add some olive oil. Cook for about 2 minutes. Add a tablespoon of garlic. Close the lid and cook for 2 minutes so the asparagus becomes tender. Now open the lid and cook for 2 more minutes. They are perfectly cooked, guys. Now go ahead, add some chili flakes. Sprinkle some chili flakes. Get this off the heat now. My today's 2 cents. My grandfather always said, pay attention to what people say in anger because they've been dying to tell you that. So just pay attention, guys. Listen carefully when people say things in anger. Enjoy my today's recipe. I will be seeing you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye-bye.